into theater. So parang kahit ako, pinaprocess ko pa rin lahat kasi ang dami nangyayari at tuloy-tuloy din yung mga work. So overall, I'm just overwhelmed but talagang blessed and grateful talaga sa lahat ng nangyayari.
So, I'm just curious, are you a musical fan? Fan of musicals?
Oo naman, yes. I've seen musicals like Hamilton and all, and I'm a fan of musicals. Actually, kapag nakakita ko yung mga theater plays and musicals, I get sobrang amazed talaga kasi I'm like, ang galing nila yung mga ginagawa nila, yung acting nila, kapag kumakanta sila, ang galing kasi sumasayaw din sila. So, super impressed talaga and amazed by theater.
So, are we expecting na may song and dance number ka ba dito? For sure.
Oo naman, meron yan kasi musical, pero di ko din alam kung pwede kong sabihin muna. Pero expect naman na there will be song numbers and mga solo din, and yun po.
So, somehow na-prepare ka na kasi di ba kumakanta ka na, sumasayaw ka na rin somehow sa mga concerts, di ba?
Yun nga, so parang lahat na nangyayari sa mga concerts and yung mall shows and yung promo, I think that helped me or allowed me to improve din yung self-confidence ko when it comes to performing and being on stage. Tapos ngayon kasi we're gonna be ito na, Resorts World Theater, which is a bigger stage talaga. A lot different from the likes of Araneta and NFT. Pero ayun nga, I think it's really about enjoying what you do. Kasi if you really enjoy what you're doing and really find the love for the craft of whatever you're doing, it comes easier, you're less nervous sa mga ganun.
Understand question lang, anong sabi ng daddy mo na ikaw gagawin mo itong project?
Siya, super, alam mo, yung tatay ko, super like, di niya naniniwala na parang, yun nga, na ito na yun. Kasi when we talk about, kapag kinakwento namin, it's like, grabe no, ang galing, yung first project ko sa buong buhay ko, Bagets. Tapos ngayon, after how many years, di ba? Ngayon ako na magiging, part of the Bagets cast. So, sobrang tuwa siya. And he really can't believe it din. We talk about it din kapag nakakita ko yung mga scripts ko. I share it a little bit kasi bawal. Pero I show some parts. Tapos siya, he gets excited talaga.
Pwede mo na bang sabihin kung sino yung character na gagawin mo dito?
I'll be playing Adi po.
So yun talaga.
Yes, yung tatay ko mismo talaga.
Sakto.
Oo.
Meron ba siyang tips na ibinigay sa'yo?
Tips, wala naman. Parang, ang advice lang niya sa akin always is just to enjoy the process and find fun and enjoy. Kasi if you have a good time, everything else will come easily. So, yun lang.
Nakapanood ka ba ng mga clippings ng Bagets?
I've seen the movie na ilang beses.
Overseas, I'm sure.
Yeah, maraming
For sure.
beses na yan. So I love the film talaga. And it's really easy to see kung bakit naging hit yung Bagets sa Philippines film industry talaga. Kasi it was the first, di ba, first ensemble yan sa time na yun, sa panahon na yun. First ensemble yun. So
Game
parang,
changer.
Yes,
game
yes,
changer.
yun nga. It really made a big impact for the audiences and the fans of the 80s at that time.
Any memory kapag pinapanood mo yung Bagets nung bata ka, ginagaya mo ba yung acting ni Daddy?
Oo nga,
Wala.
ito nga kasi sa Bagets din, sa original film, may mga eksena, yung tatay ko, nakasuot siya ng ng sombrero na red. So minsan ginagaya ko din yun, na may red hat ako sa mga events. So, gano'n. Nai-inspire ako sa mga style niya din dati. So, gano'n. Wala naman, it's just, di naman sa support, but it's like, she's happy for me and then I'm happy for her. She has her work going and we still have season 2 ng Mutya ng Sexy Me. So, yun po.
I-expect ba namin dito sa Ashley?
Sorry po?
Makikita ba namin dito? May special participation ba siya?
Sa show, I don't think so. I don't think so.
Okay.
So grabe yung schedule mo, buti na isigit mo itong musical, di ba? As in,
Yes, yun nga. Pero, ayun nga is kasi when all these blessings start to come in and all these work, they happen, you just have to accept it. And talagang if you enjoy what you're doing, you won't get as tired naman sa mga bagay na ganun. Pero it's really, I'm really grateful na there's so much going on now in my life. And it's a blessing to say na being busy is always a good problem. Diba? It's always a good problem, and that's why I'm just overall happy sa lahat ng nangyayari.
Andres, are there any challenges while preparing for the role?
As of right now, yung mga challenges, I try not to think of it as much as a challenge naman. Kasi if you really look at it, talagang may challenge. Pero it's all about really enjoying the process and learning with it and finding ways talaga na to work on your craft and improve. Ganun. Ako naman yung challenge na iniisip ko talaga is yung singing ko, di ba? Kasi dati di ako masyadong komportable kumanta sa public, ganun. Pero dahil sa work ko sa industry, from having to do promo and performing sa mga concerts, parang mas naging confident ako sa mga ganun. So I wouldn't say it's a challenge, pero it's more of learning at applying what I've experienced in the past.
Can you rate your improvement from 1 to 10? Ano yung rate?
Yung improvement ko for singing, kung sasabihin ko from like last year, sasabihin ko talaga nag-improve ako by 7 or 8 points. Pero di ako nag-rate na out of 10 yung singing skills ko 8 parang sa improvement lang sa improvement. Di ko naman sinasabi na super singer talaga ako.
Recording artist na yan.
Pero I love to sing. I like to sing.
Yeah.
Ayun po. So,
What about dancing?
I love to dance talaga. Noon pa, I really enjoy dancing. Kahit nung bata pa ako yung tatay ko used to have dance offs. May mga videos din online kung makakita nyo yung mga dance offs namin. So, I really enjoy dancing, and partly the reason why I got super excited to do this project din is the dance. Kasi yung mga songs puro 80s, ang saya diba? To dance those songs.
So super fan ka rin ni Michael Jackson, just like your
Yes,
dad.
yes,
Super fan. So invite.
Pa-video brief kay Lexi.
Lexi?